Hi everyone, my name's Katie and this is my idea report. So for Domain, I am focusing on public recycling. The targeted users are basically people who don't fully understand where, what, or how to recycle. I'll also be focusing on anyone who does understand these things but isn't motivated to recycle. And then in addition, anyone who is an avid recycler but is interested in becoming more involved. For recruitment, I will utilize the CDM participant pool, family members, friends, fellow classmates, and social media. Um, and so for the problem, as we know, many people do recycle from time to time, but the national average recycling rate is only 34.7, which is pretty low. Um, and so since this participation is lacking, there are, resources that need to be put together. There are a few out there, but it seems that people just aren't really motivated or, they think that they'll recycle every so often, but they're not very disciplined. So in order to kind of keep them motivated and maybe like introduce some reward aspect, I do think more changes need to be made. And then for the research questions, I do have a few. Um, the first one is, how can a single resource be designed that incorporates all the necessary information needed in order to recycle properly and efficiently? Furthermore, how can motivational aspects be added that will appeal to people and thus raise the participation rate? And there are a few competitors out there. I focused on three that are iRecycle, Give Me Five, and EcoSmart. Um, a few of them are tied to different organizations, and most of them are made for iPhone as well as Android, but there are a few that are only made for one or the other. So it would be a plus to have like a platform that is made for both. In all of these, they do focus on various aspects, such as how to recycle, or some of them focus on where you can recycle, but it is rare to find one that focuses on all three, and so that's what I think would be a good solution. And yeah, that is what I have so far. Thank you.